Hello, hi, welcome to Prasanna classes. Today in this video, let's know about the drain or output characteristics of JFET. Here I am taking N-channel JFET where I am applying the reverse voltage and the VDD voltage. So the voltage across the VDD is VDS and the VGS and the current that is flowing is ID. So the drain characteristics or output characteristics of JFET is taken between current ID and the voltage VDS. So for easy understanding, let you think that this for input and this is for output. So at the output side we have ID and VDS. So the characteristics between ID and VGS is output characteristics. So we know that on graph x-axis with voltage and y-axis with current. What is the current that we are having? ID. So voltage VDS. So on changing the VDD by steps, so the values of ID and VDS are noted where VGS is kept constant. For example, let VGS is 0 volts. Then the drain current will be, and the characteristics will be like this: VGS equal to 0. For example, let you take VGS for minus 1 volt. Then the characteristic curve between ID and VDS will be this way. See? So this way. Like this and so on for minus 1, minus 2 and 3 and so on. VGS equal to minus 1. Minus 2, minus 3. If you notice here, so after the sharp rise of ID current, at some point the current will be constant. So that voltage of VDS, that particular VDS voltage will be called as pinch of voltage. Pinch of voltage. So you can notice that after pinch of voltage, the current will be constant due to the rise of VDD. Then the depletion layers regions will touch each other. So a constant current will flow. So that is the constant current after pinch of voltage. ID will be constant. As after VB, then VDD can be increased up to anywhere, so where your ID will be kept constant. So the advantage is at high VDS voltage, JFET can be operated. Why? Because as ID is constant, so there is no defect. So you can use this JFET for higher VDS voltages. This is about the drain characteristics of JFET of N channel that I took. So between ID and VDS current, so after pinch of voltage, the current will be constant, and so that it can be operated the high voltages. So this is about the drain and output characteristics of JFET. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.